Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make baked ranch chicken. Cue the music. Alright, I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, we're going to be making some baked ranch chicken. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got a half cup of ranch dressing, half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 chicken breasts, and a half a cup of mayonnaise. This recipe will be down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Let's start making it up. Alright, we're going to dredge this chicken. We've got our chicken right here off to the side there. I have our bowl. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to do 1/2 cup at a time instead of mixing all of this up. So we've got our ranch dressing mix, our breadcrumbs, and our Parmesan cheese. I'm going to blend it really well. Set that off to the side. Got our mayonnaise that we're going to just put into a flat dish of some sort. Little bowl like this. You don't want it into a higher bowl like this because it's going to be harder, and you'll see why in just a minute. Alright, so we've got our chicken breast. Make yourself a little station that goes left to right. You got your chicken. You can go ahead and cut off some of this fat if you wish. It doesn't have to be pounded or filleted or butterflied or anything because it's going to go in the oven for about 40 minutes. But what you want to do is you want to get it right into that mayonnaise. And you want to just make sure that it's covered really well with the mayonnaise. Then you want to take your salt or your mixture that you made, about half of it right there, spread it out. You can see why we're using a flatter bowls here. Then you want to set it in there, flip it over. Make sure those crumbs and this mixture of ranch dressing is thoroughly covering the chicken breast. I'm going to let it sit there for just a second. Go ahead and spray your casserole dish and then just put it into your well-greased baking dish like that. And we'll do the second one here. Get that mayonnaise all over it. Alright, it fits really nice in your casserole dish. We're going to cover this up, and it's going into a 375 preheated oven for 40 minutes. We'll check it in 40 minutes. Alright, it's out of the oven. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with our thermometer. See where we're sitting. Way past what we're supposed to, so we are good. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Alright, let's give this a taste. You can already see what it looks like as it was cut from the pictures. Tender, juicy. It smells fantastic. So let's give it a taste. Very tender. That mayonnaise holds that dressing, the breadcrumbs, everything on beautifully so that the chicken can cook without drying out. Yeah, this is really, really good. Good. Seasoned well. The Parmesan gives it a little bit of peppery flavor. One more bite. simple, easy to make, baked ranch chicken. Remember that recipe is down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. This is a simple, easy to make meal. You see I got rice here, green beans. You can do this with mashed potatoes, baked potato, whatever you want, double veg, anything you want. 40 minutes, start to finish, probably 50 minutes. So in less than an hour, you get yourself a great dinner. Don't forget to check out my seasoning shop over there at www.itsonlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.